Your pellet press is running until suddenly everything stops. A breakdown, another bearing gone. Production stops. You're losing output, wasting time on repairs, and costs are rising fast. You grease the rollers every day, but the same problems keep happening. Wear and tear, unpredictable downtime, and greasy mess. Your production costs skyrocketing. Now imagine, what if a simple change to your pellet press could reduce wear, eliminate unplanned downtime, and increase output? All at once. What sounds like magic is real innovation. Switch from standard grease to Bathan. Our premium automatic system supplies your press with ceramic coating surface greases. This reduces grease consumption by up to 95% and extends the life of your components many times over. Ceramic grease performs a protective ceramic layer on all moving parts, including roller bearings. The result? Less friction, less wear, fewer spare parts, fewer shutdowns, and lower energy consumption. All this leads to a significant increase in performance while reducing costs. High-performance ceramic greases, made in Switzerland. That's Bathan. Book a consultation now via our website and find out how much you can save with Bathan.